On the 8th of February 2023, KSS, the Karachi Sea Scouts, launches its first boat trolley. Chief Officer Mufaddil Tahir Ali initiated the idea with a design presentation in KSSC Executive Committee. Instant generosity showed by Vice President Shaba Asghar Ali Bujwala helped kickstart the project. Time, dedicated efforts and technical expertise invested by CO Mufaddil Tahir Ali played a pivotal role in completing the task timely and smoothly. The cost, approximately 85,000 rupees, jointly contributed by Vice Patron-in-Chief Mr. Farzadak Milwala and Vice President Shaba Asghar Ali Bujwala. Let's see what it looks like in action. This will help in keeping the boat seaworthy and is safer for the crew. Moreover, only 2 persons can launch a heavy boat into the channel and carry on their water activities. Now that's what you call a job well done. In the future, KSS will have many more boats and each will be handled with a trolley, inshallah.